A very famous saying by Albert Einstein is that knowledge is experience, everything else is just information. Experiential learning is the learning through direct experiences or learning by doing or through first hand experiences. Organizing experiential activity in class is to provide students with opportunities to observe and experiment, to apply knowledge, to discover and explore science through which they can continue to improve their skills. When students learn about reflection and refraction, they can understand the way light moves in our world. Through Prism, they are busy finding how peculiar shape of the prism allows refraction of light in a different way than that of the glass slab. They are able to find out the angle of deviation also during this activity. So such types of activities give learners the skills and experiences they need for the real world success.
खुद से है ये वादा कुछ करके जाऊंगा, सबके सीनों को गर्व से भर कर जाऊंगा। खुद से है ये वादा कुछ करके जाऊंगा, सबके सीनों को गर्व से भर कर जाऊंगा। करते सूरज को सलाम करती दुनिया सारी, मेरा ये जीवन हाँ मेरी जिम्मेदारी।